In this video, I'll show you whether you can share your VPN connection over a mobile hotspot and how to actually make it work the right way. A lot of people try to connect their phone to a VPN and then share that connection with other devices, but it usually doesn't work the way they expect. So, let's break it down and fix it properly. First of all, if you're wondering whether you can share your VPN connection directly from your mobile phone, the short answer is no. When you turn on a VPN on your Android or iPhone, that VPN creates a secure tunnel only for your phone's own internet traffic. The system doesn't allow your hotspot to use that same encrypted connection. So, even if your phone is connected to a VPN and you share your internet with another device through Hotspot, that second device won't be protected or connected through your VPN. It'll just use your regular internet connection from your mobile data or Wi-Fi. Basically, your mobile VPN only protects the phone itself, not the devices that connect through its hotspot. That's just how iOS and Android are designed. They block hotspot sharing through a VPN tunnel for security and routing reasons. But there is a way to share your VPN connection successfully, and that's by doing it from your PC. If you have NordVPN or any other VPN service installed on your Windows laptop or desktop, you can use your computer as a hotspot and share your VPN connection with other devices like your phone, tablet, or even a console. Let me quickly walk you through the steps for Windows 11, and this works for Windows 10 too. First, use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and follow along through this tutorial. Now make sure you have NordVPN installed on your PC. Before turning on the hotspot, open NordVPN and switch the VPN protocol from NordLynx to OpenVPN, UDP, or TCP because hotspot sharing doesn't work with the NordLynx protocol. Now, go to your Windows settings. Then click Network and Internet, and from the left panel, choose Mobile Hotspot. Turn the hotspot on and make sure it's set to Share over Wi-Fi. You can rename it or set a password if you want. After that, scroll a bit further down in the same window and click on Advanced Network Settings. From there, look for your NordVPN adapter in the list. It's usually labeled as Tap NordVPN Windows Adapter or something similar. Right-click on it and select Properties. In the new window, open the Sharing tab. Here, check the box that says Allow other network users to connect through this computer's internet connection. Then, from the drop-down list, select your newly created hotspot connection. Click OK to save everything. Now connect your phone or another device to your PC's hotspot, and that device will now be using the internet through your VPN. You can test it by visiting a site like whatismyip.com to see if the IP address matches your VPN location. If it does, it means the connection is fully protected and working perfectly. So, to summarize, you can't share a VPN connection through a mobile phone hotspot, but you can share it through a Windows PC if you set it up correctly. And if you want a VPN that supports this setup reliably, NordVPN is the best choice. It's super fast, secure, and easy to configure for both personal use and hotspot sharing. Check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and enjoy private encrypted browsing across all your connected devices.